Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and growth strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to click on this F icon here. So after clicking on that, we search for the relative strength index, which is the first indicator we have here. All right, so you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your relative strength index. Right, now these are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 1, apply to exclude. The level we have 90 and 10, color red. Then you make it 4 pixel. Right, now the time frame is all time frame. The style, under the style you make the color of your background 1 pixel. You click on done. The next indicator we have here is relative strength index. Right, you click on the indicator window 1 plus icon, then you search for your moving average. Right, now these are the properties. The period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to exclude. Right, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. The style you make it color black, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is MACD. Right, so you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your MACD. So these are the properties. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to exclude. Right, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. The main, you make it the color of your background 1 pixel. Right, the signal you make it color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is moving average. Right, so you have to add the moving average under the indicator window 2. Right, so for you to do that, you click on the indicator window 2 plus icon here, and then you search for your moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its previous indicators data. The level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. The style is color black, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Now the last indicator we have here is still a relative strength index. Right, you click on this indicator window 2 plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. Right, now you make the period 1 and apply to exclude. The level you make it 85 and 15, color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Time frame you leave it as it is. The style color white, the color of your background 1 pixel, and you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained it, you are going to have a screen like this one. All right, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy. Right, the strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so that's that about that. Back to this strategy right here. Now, how does this strategy work? As you can see in the video, it's a very simple strategy and it's not difficult to understand. Okay, now this is what you do. First thing is that you wait for a spike to occur in the market. All right, so whenever there's a spike, you check your two indicator windows. Right, this is the indicator window 1 and this is the indicator window 2. Right, now you check the indicators. You want to see this black moving average. You want to see that it has gotten to the 90 level on the indicator window 1. All right, same again, you want to see that this black line here on the indicator window 2 is also at the 85 level, and the red one is also at the 85 level. Right, so once you spot this condition, so as you can see, this here, the indicator window 2 and the indicator window 1, they are in agreement. Right, as you can see the straight line here, they are in agreement. Right, so you need to make sure they are in agreement. All right, the two of them must be at the overbought level before you think of taking any entry. All right, now this is the final condition before you take your entry. All right, now on the indicator window 2, you want to see the black line crossing below the red line here on the indicator window 2. Right, so once you see it crossing below, immediately it finishes crossing below the indicator window 2 line here. Right, immediately you are to go into the market, and then you pick 5 candles. Right, you pick 5 good candles and you exit the market. Right, you exit the market, you look for the next opportunity. Right, so that is how simple the strategy is. It's as simple as ABCD. All right, so long as you apply the rules, so long as you wait for the conditions to be met, and you follow it diligently, then you are sure to make money with this strategy. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to go practice with the strategy. Make sure you practice. All right, you see for yourself that it's working before you go in with your hard-earned money. All right, so that's it, guys. For those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, so I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.